Well, I'm here. Going it down on that thing. I sell Kim Kardashian skidders here. First time I've ever driven this thing. The dog or wolf? Well, there's a grouse here. I came to help Dad start the D6. See that grouse right there? There's the D6 there. And there's Dad there. That actually looks like a spruce hen, doesn't it? Alright, we have 2 pickups on it. Jumping both batteries. I'm going to use the glow plugs today. Nice window. There's your green sticker. Or warning sticker there, Jay. Oh. So, those are for the glow plugs. The old sticker here says, I can't even read it. Below 0, 3 minutes. Well, I think it's a little above 0 right now. So I'll hold it for a couple minutes. Oh, I should have cleaned out the hood. I just assumed he already had it cleaned off. He did not. Yeah, I'll start it and then I'll clean the hood. Okay, so I've been holding the glow plugs here for almost 2 minutes. I'm gonna start her. You ready? Here we go. Or not. Oh, the safety thing wasn't on. No? Something's wrong. The bus. I think the starter, something was hung up. I just kept hitting it. Alright, I got this broken window thing ready. I'm holding the glow plugs. After it started, I just held the glow plugs and it cleared it right up. I'm still holding them, but I just let off. They fired right up. Yeah, I'm not sure we needed to jump that with the, must have been a solenoid sticking or something, because Dad said he hit the ignition a half a dozen times and it didn't do anything, so he just assumed the batteries were dead. And it did the same thing to me with 2 pickups on it, so I was like, yeah, even if the batteries are dead, it should do more than that. So I just hit it a handful more times and away she went. Man, that's a big blade, got a little mud frozen to it. Oh, you know what? So this is the manual 6-way. So if you wanted to straighten it or angle it back this way, you pull these things out. Pull that pin out. bring it back, put it in that hole, and you do the same on the other side. The blade's straight, and if you want to angle it this way, you move it back to that hole. And if you've ever tried to wrestle a 14-foot blade that big all by yourself, that's a workout. So you tend not to move it back and forth too much. You just kind of leave it in one position as long as you can. Well, look at that, no smoke, perfect, runs like a top. Hope you treat Dad good today. He's right at home on the Dozer. He loves to run Dozer. Especially Dozers with frosting on top. One thing about pushing snowbanks back is the snow is like big chunks, and it's easier to push back chunks than snow, than just loose snow. I should have said that. It's easier to push back chunks rather than loose snow. So you can see all the chunks on this side. Well, you can't really tell on that side that I did. It's all under fresh snow. There you go. Chunks, chunks, chunks. You can make a chunky snowman. There's a big chunk. I don't know if you can tell how big that is. That's my hat. You could make a Kim Kardashian snowman out of that. That was mean. It was funny though.
Metro. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Fire Captain Tom says thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Have yourselves a great day.
Do it again.